Welcome back, everybody. We're up on the Pine Ridge in Nebraska with my friends and family, whitetail deer hunting. We decided to go all out on opening day. We have Wagyu New York Strip steaks. Wagyu.
Wagyu.
Let's give it a try. I was worried that these were going to turn brown, but no. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The marbling on these Wagyu New York strip steaks, incredible.
That sure beats bologna sandwiches.
These things are beautiful, so we're gonna hit them up with some extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna keep it simple using salt today, making sure that we get them well seasoned. I have my brand new orange Blackstone Adventure Ready Griddle, Black Friday 2023 release. Have this baby on high heat because we wanna sear these steaks. It's been a few minutes. Let's go in for the flip. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Gonna go ahead and back the temperature down now. The temperature is really good. We're about 130, 135 degrees. I'm gonna flip these another time. I think we'll pull these real quick. We're gonna let the steaks rest for a while, and we're gonna throw down some spinach, some fresh garlic, chopped garlic into the beef fat, and the mother load of spinach, baby spinach. Little SPG on the spinach. There's nothing like a crisp fall day in the field with your family and friends, hanging out around the Blackstone Griddle, eating Wagyu New York strip steaks in Nebraska's beautiful Pine Ridge.